Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see about direct conversion transmitter for RF system design. The radio frequency transmitter performs three important operations: modulation, upconversion, and power amplification. In some transmitter, the modulation and upconversions are performed in a single circuit. There are many number of receivers are invented for radio frequency reception, but the transmitters are very less because of some issues like noise, interference rejection, and band selectivity. Before going to see the architecture, we need to know interfaces in the RF transmitter. There are two types of interfaces are presented here. The first one, interface between baseband and RF section. Here, the baseband signal is converted to RF signal by using signal conditioning and voltage controlled oscillator. The second interface between power amplifier and antenna. Here, they are using duplexer filter or time division duplex switch. This diagram shows the baseband RF interface. Here the baseband signal is directly modulates the frequency of the carrier generated by voltage controlled oscillator. The output spectrum of a frequency modulator depends on the amplitude and bandwidth of the modulating signal as well as modulation index. In this interface, the baseband signal is first conditioned by the use of signal conditioning. Since the oscillator frequency drifts with time and temperature, so it must be stabilized by a feedback loop, that is frequency synthesizer. The next interface is power amplifier and antenna interface. Here they are using two types of interfaces. First one, duplexer. The transmitter output must pass through a duplexer filter so that it can be separated from the signal received by the antenna. Duplexer filter is giving a loss of 2 to 3 dB and dissipating 30 to 50% of power in the form of heat. The second one, time division duplexer. In this, the loss is between 0.5 to 1 dB. It gives higher efficiency than duplexer. So this is the architecture of direct conversion transmitter. If the transmitted carrier frequency is equal to the local oscillator frequency, then the architecture is called direct conversion. In this transmitter, the modulation and upconversions are done in a same circuit. This diagram shows the direct conversion transmitter. The modulator is followed by a power amplifier and a matching network. The main role of this transmitter is to provide maximum power transfer to the antenna and filter out the band of components that result from non-linearities in the amplifier. The baseband signal produced by these transmitters are very strong and the noise in the mixers is very less when compared to the receiver. An important issue in the modulator is phase and gain mismatch of the I and Q parts. In homodyne receiver, it leads crosstalk between two data streams. To rectify the I-Q mismatch in a transmitter is to apply two signals V0 sin omega naught t and V0 cos omega naught t to the I and Q input terminals and examine the spectrum produced by the adder. The drawback of this architecture is disturbance of the transmit local oscillator by the power amplifier. The second drawback is injection pulling. It is a frequency effect that can occur when a harmonic oscillator is disturbed by a second oscillator operating at nearby frequency. This diagram shows the injection pulling, that is the output of the power amplifier is affects the voltage controlled oscillator frequency. The drawback of Local oscillator pulling is overcome by making the power amplifier output spectrum is sufficiently higher or lower than the oscillator frequency. This can be accomplished by offsetting the local oscillator frequency. This is the diagram. It shows direct conversion transmitter with offset local oscillator frequency, that is by adding or subtracting the output frequency of another oscillator, where the output signals of voltage controlled oscillator 1 and voltage controlled oscillator 2 are mixed, and the result is filtered such that the carrier frequency is equal to omega 1 plus omega 2. It is far from either omega 1 or omega 2. So this is the direct conversion transmitter without injection pulling. Thank you.